is here just to tell the public what it is we're doing and get them excited about it. There's so many students here that are interested in, this imagination and challenges, and NASA faces those all the time. So we're here just trying to inspire the kids, show them about the past of NASA, the future, and what we're building in terms of the new rocket and the new Orion spacecraft to take people out to the moon. It's great to see all these kids interested in doing this sort of thing. Extracurricular activities, interested in learning. It's just wonderful.
SpaceCube is at Global Finals because we are here with all of the gifted, brilliant young minds of the world. We're trying to get them more interested in the STEM fields. We have our multi-axis trainer. In the early days of our space program, the astronauts would train in the multi-axis trainer.
MindTrekkers is an organization at Michigan Technological University, and we travel all across the country and we do fun events like this for K-12 students to get them excited about STEM. We have all sorts of different experiments going on here. We have Rubens Tube, which is actually showing sound waves but with flames. We can help them skewer a balloon without popping it. They can make foam gnomes and learn about chemical reactions. We have the very famous oobleck, the mixture of cornstarch and water. That's a non-Newtonian fluid, so when they let it rest, it acts like a liquid, but then they can actually hit it and it acts like a solid. Global Finals is so much fun. The kids are great. They are so smart. They're so creative, and they just really enjoy learning, and that's the kind of students that we like to be around.
KEVA planks are wood blocks. The unique thing with KEVA planks is they're all exactly the same. They're cut very precisely, so when you build things, they fit together and they're much more sturdy than you would ever expect. KEVA's here at Globals partially because the things that we're trying to do as KEVA planks is exactly the same thing as DI, with trying to inspire students to think outside the box and do creative problem solving, to be creative and enjoy the artistic pleasure of doing that. The thing I enjoy most about DI is that the students that are here are highly motivated and they're used to working together with their teammates that are here. In particular, since I've done this in so many different places and seen so many things built with KEVA planks, every time I come I see ridiculously fantastic structures that are things that I've never seen anywhere before because the students here are so creative.